Hey, you all. So, little bit a change of plans here because the way to watch this video was way too hard for first and second block. So, I'm just going to make a really quick video for everybody to watch. I'm going to play little sections and hopefully you can take some notes while we're talking. And then you're just going to upload those notes to the assignment that I have posted, and that there should be a form in Google Classroom. So, the first thing that we're going to see is there's this thing called a seismograph.
Scientists use machines called seismographs to study seismic waves caused by earthquakes.
So we've got these seismographs. They're amazing. They actually measure the vibrations in the earth. And with that being said, those waves, those S waves and P waves, they can actually tell us a lot about how Earth is structured. Zip through here really quick and hit play. Now, we're talking about the layers of the Earth, and we talked about that yesterday. So there's just a couple things that I wanted to add to about the mantle and the inner core and the outer core. So, of course, the crust is where we live.
The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth.
Oh my gosh, it's the outermost layer. It's where we live. It's actually composed of two things. It's actually composed of the oceanic crust, which you see right here under the ocean. And that is very dense. It's very, very heavy. And to me, it's really weird because it's thin. So to me, I think, oh, it's probably really light. It's not. It's really, really thick. And then you've got this other crust. It's actually called the continental crust. So the crust is divided into the oceanic crust and the continental crust. So right now, if I were you, I would make sure to jot this down in my notes, maybe draw a little picture. We've got the oceanic crust and we've got the continental crust. We're going to learn one more thing about that. The oceanic crust is actually made of basalt. We're going to talk more about that next week. It's made of basalt. And then the continental crust is actually made of, keep going here so you can see, it's actually made of the rock granite. Now, I will say granite. When I hear that, I think of countertops. A lot of you might have granite countertops in your homes. So the continental crust is made of granite. So in my notes, I might put under the oceanic crust that it is made of basalt and the continental crust is made of granite. Now I have all that on the website if I'm going way too fast. So I don't want to rush you, but if you get out of this video and you go to the actual website and scroll down, I've actually written some notes you can copy down as well. So now we've got the mantle, and the mantle is actually kind of split up into a couple of other things as well. The first thing that is on there is what's called the lithosphere. It's right here, and it is this first little chunk right here, the upper crust kind of down into the mantle. So we call that the lithosphere. And then we also have below that, let's truck through here, the asthenosphere. Oh, just hold on. So we've got that asthenosphere. I'm trying to zoom through this fast here. Then we've got the asthenosphere, excuse me, and it is actually the lower half then of the mantle. So in my notes, you can even actually draw this if you want to. You're going to label the lithosphere and the asthenosphere. Like I said, this is already on the website as well. So we are going to zippity-doo to the core. Now in the core, we talked about this yesterday. You've got the inner core, you've got the outer core. They are both composed of the elements nickel and iron. Outer core, liquid, inner core, solid. Okay, so that was pretty much it for the video that we had such a hard time getting onto. So I'm going to take you back over to the website. And if you look, scroll down, I've already done, I've written some notes here. I have put some actual seismograph charts on here. This is kind of cool because this is the actual seismograph data they collected right here from Mount St. Helens in the 80s when it erupted. So we keep going. I've taken some more notes, all the way down. Okay, so it's super easy. Watch the video that I'm putting on right now and write down any of the notes that I had on the website. You're going to take a screenshot of your notes, and then you're going to upload that to the assignment in Google Classroom. Hope y'all have a good day. You do not need to Zoom with me. If you want to Zoom, you need to email me because it started snowing early and I'm trying to get out of here to drive back home 40 minutes. So if you need me, go ahead and email me. Be safe. Hope y'all have a great day.